Generating a consistent character virtual IP image from scratch in ComfyUI to create a fixed image and then training it into a LoRA model for FLUX or HunyuanVideo. So the first part is about generating the image. At that time, I created such a result and then appropriately expanded the image. Of course, there's an element of randomness here. Each generation produces different results. That was different from my initial results. Navigate to RunningHub and click AI, or click the link in the introduction to register and get 120 gigabytes. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online. Then, at the core of this place is the MV adapter, which can generate multiple views of the character from a single view. So I'll combine this into an image. So this operation was inspired by M on YouTube. If you'd like, you can redraw certain parts as needed. Here, I'll directly zoom in. Zooming is crucial because a large portion of the consistency lies here. During the scaling process, the part that comes after B is not very authoritative and can be appropriately modified. It's actually a kind of practice. We can have a small discussion here. We use multi-view adapter, which I think is better than using the open pose from SD-difference person to control posture. Because when we input an image, we can directly get relatively good results from the FLUX model. Of course, if we use the pose map from SD-difference person for control and then redraw with high denoise in the FLUX model, we can also achieve good results. Consistency will eventually be achieved, but when it comes to similarities in specific details of our initial impressions here, there will be significant choices made.
I've already explained it as clearly as I could, even breaking it down into sections to make the process clear.
Then, make a crop to cut out the image. Once we have the cutout, we can proceed with traditional LoRA training on a FLUX model. After training, we will get a LoRA. With this LoRA, we can generate various multi-angle and different postures using the FLUX model. If that doesn't work, we can try understanding the keywords better and generate more times until we get consistent results. The same applies to the flame model. As times progress, we can make this virtual character move and perform actions. The entire process is actually quite simple because we can directly enter the video. Then, if you feel it's difficult, ask yourself, which industry do you actually belong to? So talking about it at this point is actually no longer just a fun application. So most of the time, this channel shares some open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It brought down the prices of many popular models such as V2, Kaling, and Wanxiang. Some specifications were even lower than the official published prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up bit by bit really saves money in the long run.